Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Unidrv DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To begin the walkthrough for Unidrv, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Unidrv, the Universal Printer Driver Core. It provides the unmanaged routines for translating document data into printer-specific commands, facilitating the foundational printing manifest data link. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Unidrv DLL is restored to its original verified state. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Unidrv file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of Unidrv DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review repair-related information for Unidrv by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Unidrv today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.